friends, me HLModTech, and I'm back with another sweet Glowforge project and a suggestion for the Glowforge people if they're paying attention as to something I think would be pretty slick in the app. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alrighty friends, so I was able to attend my nephew's wedding and it was epic, and I also wanted to make something kind of cool for him, so I made this sweet little coin that says happy wife, happy life, and then in the middle it gives him his options. So if he flips the coin, his first choice is I'm wrong, his second choice is she's right, which should guarantee that he's got a better shot at making the right decision all throughout his life. So my friends, let's show you how I created it and what I figured out would be kind of slick if they added to the app. Alright friends, I was in a hurry and I could have built this in Inkscape, but I like to just use my web tools. There's Troygram again, and it makes the curved text so slick. You just right click and save the image and you can bring it in as a PNG. You can also use the sweet picsvg.com and convert it to an SVG if you prefer it. You do not get the outline and the inside with the settings I used, but that is something you maybe could tweak, so you could do just an outlined edge if you preferred. For the words that were in the center of it, I simply used a Google drawing and I did the insert word art, which I find so slick, and where I had she's right, you do the shift enter so that it goes down to the second line, and then you can put that in, and when you press enter again, you can adjust its formatting however you want. I'm first going to drag it up into this top corner so it's closer to where the document's going to start. With that stretched, I am going to change fonts. I'm going to pick Pacifico just because it looks cool, although I don't think it's the one I used in the real project. And then I'm going to change the colors, even though it does not affect how it comes into the Glowforge app from this tool. With that completed, you need to click File and choose Download, and we want to download as an SVG. Simply type in your file name and press Enter to put it in the folder where you're storing your parts. Alright friends, so here we are in the app, and this is where I've got a feature request for the Glowforge people. So I've got the circle created, and I can cut out as many of these as I want as I'm playing with it. And then what I did, of course, was once I had the circle cut out, then I changed it to Ignore. And what I'd like to see is another button that was disabled. So that way when I enable the circle later, it still had the same settings instead of me having to go back and figure out which ones I used. It just seemed like such a slick way for you to keep your settings, even though sometimes you use the piece, sometimes you don't. Now I could create 3 files that had all the parts in it, but if all we had was one more little button that just said disabled, boom, when you hit enable again or you uncheck the disabled, you could actually bring back all your old settings, and it would just make it a little slicker as you built your projects. So my nephew found it pretty cool, and we both joked about how hopefully 60 years later when his kids are saying, hey, how did you make it work, he can flip the coin and show his kids how they were successful at a nice, long, happy marriage. So my friends, if you found the video useful, please hit the like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video by me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.